Dear students who entered into Educare family, Educare group of educational institutions who have passed 10th class and who entered into our Educare Junior College or IIT Academy. The Educare IIT Academy now heartily welcomes you. We have divided the admitted students into two groups. First one, JEE Advanced and Mains Concept, Track 24. First group as Track 24 and the second group as MSET Elites. Track 24 and MSET Elites. There are two groups are there, MPC and BPC. Track 24 is belonging to JEE Mains and Advanced. JEE Mains and Advanced. MSET Elites group indicates MSET for mathematics and BPC for NEET also. NEET is for BPC, this is for MPC. Of course, this is also for MPC. Let us introduce first of all myself. My name is Raju. This is Raju sir. 22 years experience IIT faculty, and here I am working as IIT coordinator also. So I am in charge of the IIT program, whether it is mains or advanced or MSET or anything. Let us going to discuss about our courses. What is Track 24? So trekking in 24 months. You know the value of the word trek. So trekking, an Everest, like that, a mountain, a cliff, anything. The concept of trekking is nothing but here we are using the word trek for studies. 24 means the intermediate course whenever you entered after passing of 10th class. Completion of course of intermediate takes 24 months. So 2 years. For the 2 years course we put the name as Track 24. Track 24 is nothing but JEE Advanced concept. What is JEE Mains and what is JEE Advanced? Who is properly eligible for IIT? They can write advanced exam, and before writing an advanced exam every student has to write JEE Mains exam. What is JEE Mains here? Joint entrance examination. Joint entrance examination. Joint entrance examination to write, to get the admission into particular engineering colleges in India. Total IIT based engineering colleges are 12 engineering colleges are there. 12 IITs are there in India and 31 NITs are there. IIT means this is joint entrance examination for advanced and mains. JEE means for joint entrance examination for mains and advanced. For mains and advanced. This is for MPC students I am going to discuss now. IIT. What is IIT? Indian Institute of Technology. Indian Institute. Indian Institute of Technology. Indian Institute of Technology means IIT. Total 12 IITs are there in overall India. 12 IITs are there in India. Before writing an examination, we are having mains exam, I said. That is also called a JEE, means Joint Entrance Examination mains. So whenever you qualified mains, you can get the seat. Whenever you qualified mains, you can get the seat in NITS. What is NIT? NIT means National Institute of Technology. National Institute of Technologies. National Institute. National Institute of Technology. Approximately one NIT is there for one state. Example, for Andhra Pradesh, Tadepalligudem is there, it is NIT Tadepalligudem. And for Telangana, Warangal is there, NIT Warangal. Like that, NIT Trichy. For Kerala, like that, NIT Surathkal. And NIT Durgapur. For West Bengal, like that. For a state, one NIT is there. But overall India, we are having 29 states. Among 29 states, only we are having 12 IITs. So try to understand whether the number is less, competition is more. So the IITs said JEE mains are proportional to, inversely proportional to the strength and competition. So what you can understand here, NITS, National Institute of Technology and Sciences. Total among 12 IITs, 12,000 seats are their approximation. 12,000 seats. For girls, only for girls, India has decided to enhance the seats. 3,000 seats they enhanced in 2018 itself. So now the 12,000 plus 3,000 became 15,000 IIT seats. 15,000 IIT seats. In the National Institute of Technology and Sciences, in these NITS, total 31,000 seats are there. 31,000 seats. So overall India, I am saying, I want to discuss with you the competition regarding India, not only for our Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. If you get seat, if you try to get the seat in NITS or JEE in advanced, I mean in NITS or IIT, then we can say that the student is most intelligent. Of course, you are making the students as intelligence. Okay. Now, this is the program designed for Track 24. And there is no force students. MSET elites means for NEET and MSET we kept only one section. Of course, we have taken the our WhatsApp group, with two groups we have created in WhatsApp. That first one Track 24 and second one MSET or NEET. So NEET for BPC and MSET for MPC. MSET means this is E, Engineering, Agricultural, Medical, Common Entrance Test. Engineering E. A for Agricultural. Agricultural and Medical is for BPC students. And E means here Engineering. Engineering, Agricultural, Medical, Common Entrance Test they are conducting. They means here Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, only two states are conducting MSET exam to take admission into our local engineering colleges. We can try for this also. Okay, what is the use and what are the advantages we can discuss later whenever we meet. Now let us going to discuss about JEE bridge course. Here what is the bridge? Here bridge is nothing but the entrance gate, and after passing 10th class to getting into intermediate. Maybe the students whoever joined in this group or in this college, they may be students might have, I think, Olympiad or Techno or General or anything. I want to discuss with some points with you. Okay, let us start today bridge course. Being mathematics faculty, I want to discuss with you only mathematics concept students. Of course, physics and chemistry I don't know. Mathematics I want to discuss here. You can get a doubt. Sir discussed about IIT, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. We did not discuss anything about MSET. MSET, Engineering, Agricultural, Medical Common Entrance Test is MSET exam. In the Andhra Pradesh state, we have 144 engineering colleges. In every engineering college, approximately 700 students, 700 seats are there. So 144 into 700 is equal to how much? That many seats are there in single state. In the similar way, that many seats are in Telangana also. So engineering and agriculture, medical common entrance gives plenty of seats. So no need to discuss about how many seats are there, how much competition is there. Whenever you try to get mains or try to get advanced, then only you are capable student. So let us discuss about mains and advanced. Of course MSET also we can discuss, no problem, don't worry. Now just I want to discuss with you bridge course. Among the bridge course syllabus, I want to discuss with you that regarding equation of straight line and slope, whatever you have discussed in 9th class, I think you know very well about slope of a line and you know very well about equation of straight line. If you don't know equation of straight lines and types of straight lines, you can know now what is the slope. Let us going to discuss about, today topic is slope. Let us discuss about, this is not straight. Let us discuss about this line. This is not straight. This is not straight. Not straight means this not in the proper way. This is having some steep. This is not in proper way. This is in proper way. This is not in proper way. This is not in proper way. This is not in proper way. These are all the set of points. Set of points in a plane. Example, this is a plane. Board is a plane. In the plane, this is a curve, this is a curve, this is a curve. Of course, this is a straight line, this is a straight line, this is a straight line, this is a straight line. Among the straight lines, the slope means the inclination like this, not like this way. This is straight. What is straight? This is called as vertical. Vertical means perpendicular of the earth. This is called as horizontal, parallel to the earth. So this is called horizontal, this is called perpendicular. It is in right way and it is in right way. This is not in right way. It is somewhat a cross model. This is somewhat cross model. It is called as steepness. Steep way. So what the steepness of a line is called as a slope. The steepness of a line or the steepness of 2 points is called as a slope. Okay, let us discuss about slope. The steepness of a straight line. The steepness of a straight line or steepness of 2 points. 2 points AX1, Y1 and BX2, Y2. AX1, Y1 and BX2, Y2 is called as slope. Is called as slope. It is denoted by the letter. It is denoted by the letter M. In trigonometry, we can use the letter, the letter with angle is tan theta. In trigonometry, the slope is denoted by tan theta. The slope is denoted by tan theta. The steepness of straight line or steepness of 2 points is called as slope. We are going to discuss now. Before going to discuss this proof, let us discuss about the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. Students, only one plane is there. Why did you discuss the name as Cartesian? Cartesian is the name of the mathematician. If the plane contains x, y, of course z also 3 axes, x, y, z axis, 3-dimensional geometry. Whenever you face 3-dimensional geometry, you can face the axes as x, y and z. Whenever you are going to discuss about 2-dimensional geometry, here we can say only there are 2 planes x and y. This is x, x dash, y dash. Everyone know that this is plus plus, because let us going to discuss about like this x. This is called as positive x-axis. This is called a positive x-axis and this is called a negative x-axis. This is called a positive y-axis and this is called negative y-axis. Put here names 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Here also 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here you can write down side means negative y-axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Left side means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. Based on the Cartesian coordinate axis, we can discuss the slope. This is a positive x-axis and negative x-axis. This is positive y-axis and negative y-axis. Here if you indicate any point, the characteristic of the point is plus comma plus. What is plus? X coordinate is plus. And what is plus here? Y coordinate is plus. The characteristic of x coordinate is plus, positive, and the characteristic of y coordinate is also positive. Here characteristic of x coordinate is minus and the characteristic of y coordinate is plus. Here characteristic of x coordinate is minus and characteristic of y coordinate is also minus. And here characteristic of x coordinate is plus and characteristic of y coordinate is minus. It is called as Q1. What is Q1? Quadrant. Here the Cartesian plane divided into 4 quadrants. So first quadrant is indicated with Q1 and second with Q10, third as Q3 and fourth as Q4. These are 4 quadrants. Among 4 quadrants we are going to discuss about positive plus plus minus plus minus minus plus 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 minus. So what is plus plus minus plus and minus minus and plus minus? If P, take capital P. If capital P x comma y, small x comma small y within the brackets I am discussing with you. Capital P within the brackets x comma y is any point in the Cartesian plane, that is xy plane. Then plus plus means here x comma, here if you write x comma y, what is x comma y? Small x is the x units distance from origin, like this. This is x-axis. Students, I think you know that equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0, because on the x-axis y coordinate will not be. On the x-axis x coordinate will not be. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and equation of y-axis x is equal to 0. Put here any point small x comma 0. Put here it is a A. Put here capital B any point 0 comma y. If you take a point on the plane of xy, so here the point P indicates both x coordinate and y coordinate. So P x comma y denotes that small x is the x units distance from origin on the x-axis. Small y is the y units distance from origin on y-axis. So what here you can indicate, the point P x comma y indicates that it is the distance small x from x-axis from origin and small y from origin respectively on the x-axis and y-axis both. So we can discuss now regarding the slope of a line or slope of 2 points formula. Slope of a line or slope of point. Slope of, now I am writing as slope of line joining, here I am writing slope of line joining 2 points. Slope of line joining 2 points A, capital A x1 comma y1 and capital B x2 comma y2 is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope formula. I think you know, but now I am saying the proof to you. Let 0 comma 0 here. Here you can put the point capital A x1 comma 0 and here you put the capital B 0 comma y1 here and extend like this. Extend the line. Extend the axis y. You can put here D 0 comma y2 and you can put here C y x2 comma 0. So 2 points I have taken on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Here you can put, this is P, join like this. This is P, the indication x1 comma y1. Here you can put Q, the indication x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2. Join like this. This indicates, that is the point on in a Cartesian plane which is x2 distance from origin and y2 distance from origin. Here you can understand that from origin to A, this is x1 units distance. From origin to C here, this is x2 distance. So what is the part left from OC to OA? The distance is, yes, the distance of AC is OC minus OA. You can write this one as x2 minus x1. In the similar way, you can understand the lengthy distance is y2 and a small distance is y1. So this part you can understand as y2 minus y1. Now steepness of line. This is the slope I want to discuss with you. Let the line L equal to 0. The line which I am going to discuss now with you, slope of line joining 2 points A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2. Now join like this one also. This is a projection or it is a perpendicular line from Q to x-axis. From Q to x-axis. Now we can draw, we can describe the boards. OA is equal to x1, comma, OC is equal to x2. Therefore, AC is equal to OC minus OA. AC is equal to OC minus OA. So AC is equal to, you can write x2 minus x1. Next, according to y-axis we can discuss here. OB is equal to the distance is y1 and OD is equal to the distance is y2. And BD you can write now, BD is equal to OD minus OB. So you can write this one as y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. Now you can discuss here. This is an angle theta. Q put here, this is an R. QRC. QR is the perpendicular line I am writing. Perpendicular line. QRC also write. QRC is the perpendicular line from Q. Perpendicular line from Q to x-axis. From Q to x-axis. So, what is from Q to x-axis? Whenever it is a perpendicular line, the triangle became as a right angle triangle. Now, in the right triangle, PQR, in the right triangle PQR, tan theta is equal to trigonometry concept. Tan theta in right angle triangle is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side of the angle theta? Let. Here you can write let angle QPR. Let angle QPR is equal to theta. That implies, I said that tan theta is nothing but indication the slope of the letter with m. That implies you can write tan theta is equal to m is equal to, what is opposite side here? QR. The side opposite is QR by here PR. So QR is parallel to here DB and PR is parallel to AC. So you can write DB by AC. So M is equal to, you can write now, QR means here you had written the part is Y2 minus Y1 and the part PR is here X2 minus X1. So now we can write the slope of the line joining the 2 points A x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2 is tan theta or m as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the basic concept for geometry. Today we are going to discuss, and today the discussion is regarding geometry. I think in 9th class is there or 10th class also this concept is there. Now let us going to discuss about equations of straight lines. Equations of straight lines in various forms. Equations of straight lines in various forms. Let us put side heading equations of straight lines. Equations of straight lines. First one, this is the first formula. Equation of straight line. Equation of straight line passing through. Equation of straight line passing through origin. Passing through origin, that is 0, 0 and having slope m. Passing through origin and having slope m. Passing through origin and having slope m is the formula y is equal to mx. Let us draw the diagram. Students, for geometry, for everything, whether it is rough question or right question or anything, diagram is needed. Euclid said that geometry gives accurate value with rough diagram. It is Euclid theory. So you draw rough diagram, no problem, but it gives accurate value. According to Euclid theory, draw any diagram. Okay, equation of straight line passing through origin he is discussing with us. This is the line passing through origin. Put here L equal to 0. This is x and this is y. Now put here angle theta. Equation of straight line we should discuss passing through origin. Put here A. Small x comma 0 is the point on x-axis. In the similar way, put here B. Small 0 comma small y is any point on y-axis. Put here the point P x comma y. That meaning is from origin to a point on the x-axis is small x units distance, and the point B is small y units distance from origin, which is on y-axis. This is on x-axis. So this indicates x and this indicates y here. Now PA is the perpendicular line. PA is the perpendicular line on x-axis from P. PA is the perpendicular on x-axis from P. Therefore, let angle POA is equal to theta. So what is theta? Theta is an angle. What is angle? The angle is the amount of rotation from an initial ray to terminal ray. The amount of rotation should be with the positive direction of x-axis. While going to discuss trigonometry, I will discuss the definition and the terms and everything there. I think you know about the angle. Now let us remember the value angle as theta here. Otherwise alpha, beta, anything you can take. Angle POA is equal to theta. Now this became right angle triangle. In triangle POA, you can write now tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side here? The AP. What is adjacent side? OA. AP means y by x. The letter tan theta indicating with slope as m is equal to y by x. Therefore, y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx is the equation of straight line passing through origin. Y equal to mx is the equation of straight line passing through origin. Equation of straight line passing through origin. Now we can discuss second